Hi guys, it's Paul and I'm currently sitting in the car. We'll focus on this week on a short ride through the Trust KIKAKU compound here, yes. So what I'm sitting in is another JDM legend. It's bound to make its way to the US soon. The S15 Nissan Silvia, yeah. And well, obviously it's the final edition of the famed S chassis, which, by the way, has a remarkably long history. Yeah, it was first introduced in the S10 Silvia, which made its way over to the US as the 200SX, all the way back in 1976. Yeah, so it's a pretty old chassis. Okay. And there we go. So this particular S15 was built in October 99, which means it will become legal to import in just another 6 months. And as you can see, while it does have some aftermarket body parts installed, I would say it's done with taste. Yeah, it's very simple but effective. The car is, well, it's a looker. It's very sleek in a good way, especially here in the back, where without a rear wiper, an emblem or any additional aero parts, it's just super clean and looks gorgeous. Yeah, good job. It's a very clean Silvia. And obviously the well-deserved props have to be given to the designers at Nissan, because this is a gorgeous car to begin with, especially in places like here. The OEM side skirts, they're just beautiful to look at. Yeah. And then around the headlights, which are pretty clean, by the way, you have these Silvia inscriptions right here. This is just an amazing detail. Yeah, honestly, beautiful car. Definitely something to look at. But it doesn't just look good on the outside, no. Now let's have a look inside too. And here, first and foremost, look at these floor mats. They are an OEM option and the most luxurious one at that, and you can see it. Yet not too bad for a car that's considered to be a simple drift rocket by many. Yeah, definitely cool. Speaking about cool OEM options, another one are these tweeters up here, right next to the door handle. And these are extremely rare, so this is very cool, yeah, to see them on this car. And overall, the interior is pretty clean, I would have to say. There aren't too many scuffs on the seats, not too many stains. And then the door trims are also quite clean. You can see that they didn't suffer too many kicks back in the day. Awesome stuff. And yeah, very clean car. Just a quick peek in the back. Yeah, no problems here as well. Then maybe let's just pop the bonnet up. Pop up the bonnet. Yeah, there we go. Just a quick look at the famous SR20DE Turbo. Yeah. Let's have a look here. And well, I would say that things are pretty clean in the engine bay too. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, I mean, for a car this old, there's not much to speak of in terms of rust. I would say it's pretty clean. Now I have to admit to you that I wasn't sold on the S15 to begin with. No, I mean, obviously it's a cool car, but it just didn't seem to me to be a match for example, the R34 25 GT Turbo or the R33 GTS 25 Turbo. Yeah, I mean the Silvia is light, but come on. However, I have to officially admit that I was wrong. Big time. Because what you see here is the embodiment of fun. It's a light, rear-wheel driven car that packs some surprising power too. Yeah, and even though they share the same platform, it has to be said that the S15 is a very different beast from the Silvias that came before it. The way it revs up and just shoots out, even from lower speeds, is astonishing. And because it does not have that many high-tech control systems on it, it has this kind of a raw feeling to it, one you won't find on the R34 Skyline. Yeah, the low growl of this R says more than words. All hail the S15.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and just wanted to let you know that we recently updated our vehicle inventory, and we have yet another update scheduled for next month with some really cool cars, maybe even this Silvia. So make sure to check out our sales page, and yeah, please subscribe for more JDM content, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.